Hey guys, today is the 21st September and I have gone out. I have did around like more than 10 opens. Like I did like 6 opens in solo, like on 20 minutes 6 sets. And after that I made a wing and it was unexpected. And I could also notice my energy while opening the few sets with wing. That it's not that I'm not looking for comfort of it. I'm just on my skin very comfortable, and I'm just doing what I'm doing. I'm just going to open any set that I like, and that was very interesting. But one thing that I'm very too sweet on, like few boundaries that I have to clear up. This is like personal topic on my few things, so which I'm working, and I'm definitely gonna improve on that. And I just felt this very very huge shift, like very weird or very very different shift. Like my voice is thrown out, but I'm still speaking in a very loudest and gentle voice, like in a released muscle voice that possible. And what the fuck is this? And yeah, that's about it. And I want to discuss the importance of in this video. I want to discuss the importance of like doing for things which you really want, and that helped me a lot. And that's fucking helping. Like I just noticed like there are few patterns. Like one pattern is that I feel awkward that if I'm gonna approach a set, she might also feel awkward that she's getting approached, and that pattern is coming from one set in my childhood, like in my school on standard 8. And that has like I learned from like her that if I approach that time, then it's gonna feel awkward to her, and I don't wanna make anyone's life awkward or something like that. I'm very sweet on that basis, and that like those things have started to make me very sweet, I think. And that's why like I feel that thing. And then also like few things which you notice when you're about to open the set. But just to overcome that, like what you can do is that you can just push on that time. But like I push on my field, like I'm on field. If I want to open a set, then I'm just gonna fucking go for it. There's no other option than that. But you also have to notice like which things are like stopping you, and it's not gonna go with the practice or with progression. You can say it might, but there are few cases which, like in rare cases that might change. But like things like it, like you won't catch that thing that you feel like she's feeling she will feel awkward, and that's why I'm not doing it. This kind of stuff you have to just be aware, and then you have to do it. So this is the pattern that I have noticed in like my journey, and there are lots of patterns that's gonna come up like that. And yeah, and that's about it. And I also had I got few things. Like, I also had like key or something like from a fan, and it was like very forceful kind of. But other than that, I just opened like very direct, starting from the get go, and not skip any set. Like I skipped like one or two sets. And after that, I just realized that I just had to push it. I just pushed it, and it just happened. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm just gonna stop it now. I'm gonna rest for a while, and I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye.